All right, guys, again, got about a minute to go. Nice work, Acrobat. Wow, Skechers is just running right up out of the gates here, pretty much. All right, market is now open. So right now, Skechers is trying to push higher. CNET seems to be kind of just barely holding some support right now. NCTY is not doing a whole lot. PayPal is starting to look kind of bullish here. So I'm hopping in long PayPal, just entered long on PayPal. So I'm holding PayPal long right now. Getting ready to sell some here on PayPal soon. Just sold majority of my shares to lock in some money there on PayPal. Still holding 600 shares long. All right, just sold more shares there on PayPal. Still have 300 shares long. It's probably getting close to the end of this push. Gonna sell a little bit more. See how this candle does. Still holding some long here on PayPal. All right, I just sold majority of my shares up there. Still have 150 shares long on PayPal here. Just letting them work their way through. CNET with a really big drop. NCTY still coming down. All right, I'm gonna hop in long here on NCTY just before the 200, just after that 200 moving average tag, holding NCTY long here. Just looking to scalp this up for a reversal. Okay, just sold a little bit there on NCTY. Still have 1,000 shares long. So it's looking pretty weak there. So just exited the rest there on NCTY. So locked in a little bit of money there on that trade with NCTY. Just wasn't bouncing the way I'd like it to. So just made sure to take it off there for a small win. Still holding some long here on PayPal. Probably going to exit these last 150 shares depending on how it acts up here towards this pre-market high level. So still got some shares on with PayPal. Want to see what it does when it gets up towards 185 or 85, sorry. Okay, I just took my shares off of PayPal. I'm all out of PayPal for a $700 win. NCTY still coming down. Well, that is it seems like a pretty strong support on NCTY right here. Just gonna watch it carefully. If it breaks that, I mean, that's 6. So still watching NCTY right now for possible long. Still watching NCTY here. It's holding below that 200 moving average right now. Just barely holding $6. Looks like it maybe wants a little bit lower. PayPal's coming down pretty hard. Probably going to watch PayPal here a little bit. Might be a nice little bounce play on it. See how it reacts when it gets down here on this this VWAP. See if we can get down towards the VWAP a little bit more. Yeah, so PayPal kind of popping right off that 9 moving average close to the VWAP. Still watching NCTY here, still going down. PayPal still working out pretty well, still kind of going up there. So just following PayPal, see if it forms into a bullish pattern here. NCTY is getting smoked right now. So I'm going to follow this. With this big drop, we could have a nice reversal play come in. Going to watch NCTY down here towards this $5 mark. See how it reacts at the $5 support level. Starting to bounce a little bit. So just watching this NCTY right now, considering a long, it's already jumping a lot. I kind of missed that bottom area. I'd rather it be down at 5 to take the long. I don't know if we'll get there though. So just watching NCTY still, letting it pull back here, see what it wants to do. Might hop in long here on NCTY. All right, I'm getting in long on NCTY here. Going to ride this little reversal up. Boom. All right, gonna sell 2,000 shares there. So just sold most of my shares on NCTY as we popped up right to that 200 moving average. Just holding 1,000 shares long right now, and it's not liking that 200 moving average. So still holding 1,000 shares on it. Don't have the best average. I didn't catch it right at the bottom. I wanted to see it touch $5, but it didn't. So I think with enough push here, we could probably see NCTY up towards $6.50. So I'm going to try and hold these out for a break, these shares for a break over the 200 moving average, over the 9 moving average, see if we can get it up towards 650. We might not get it all in one push. We might have to hold it for a pullback. Keep an eye on PayPal. PayPal looks like it's getting ready to push up here. Keep a close eye on PayPal for a long. I might sell some of my shares on NCTY just to downsize. Um, Looks like PayPal could be getting ready to squeeze for a long play here, so keep that on watch closely. All right. Ooh, we got NCTY starting to push over that 200 moving average and the 9 moving average. Would like to see it up towards the price of 650. That'd be ideal. We got the price action up and over the 9. All right, I'm going to take off 500 shares there. Just sold 500 shares on my position with NCTY, and PayPal's starting to run. I missed that move. Wow, look at that nice move on. Just missed it. Should have played that. Seen it. So there goes PayPal running nice. Hopefully some of you guys caught the long there on PayPal. So still holding some here on NCTY. I think I might be getting ready to exit it. If NCTY starts breaking below the body of the previous candle, 592, I'm going to take it off. And it's trying to break that 592. All right, I'm all out of NCTY there. So good day. We'll be sitting up just about $3,000 on the day now, 3,200. Oh man, look at PayPal. What a nice rip. There could still be a long play setting up here on NCTY, so I'm still going to watch it. You know, this might just be a higher low. That's what it looks like it's doing right now, at least trying to. Might just be a small higher low, then we wedge for another break to the upside. So going to keep that on watch. The penny stock PLAG starting to fly, really. Gonna watch it real close here. It's already up really big on this one candle, so I'm not a huge fan of the way that looks. So just watching PLAG here. Wow, there's this, couldn't even, holy cow. I mean, I could have hopped in, but I didn't like where it was at. All right, we got NCTY. All right, I'm long on NCTY. This thing's breaking up. There it goes. And I'm probably going to take this off after it pops up just for a quick win. There it goes. Yeah, small, nice quick win there on NC. Nice. Yeah, that was quick. Yeah, sorry, really couldn't do much about that. Wow, look at PLAG. So sad that it didn't give me a nice pullback to get in on. So I can't really do much with that yet. Oh snap. This DCAX starting to push. Now this I'm gonna hop in on. All right, I'm hopping in long on DCIX. This thing looks like it's got some momentum, so I just hopped in on long DCIX. We'll see. This used to be a previous runner, so the name definitely has the potential to run. A lot of sellers in this 155 area. I'm adding. Looks like they're going to get pushed out. DCIX is just running like mad. Perfect. A lot of buyers coming up still. All right, I'm gonna get ready to sell some there. So just sold majority of my shares. I'm gonna sell a little bit more here on DCIX. So sold some more. It was a tiny win, but it was a fun little ride. Still got 500 shares long on DCIX. Just gonna let these kind of do their thing. Okay. It's pulling back. It's okay. A lot of people know of DCIX. This is a stock that ran from like a couple dollars, like $25 intraday. So it's got a lot of hype around the name. So still green on this small trade. Tops is starting to run. TOPS is starting to go. Okay, DCIX is just kind of hanging out, not doing a whole lot right now. All right, I'm going to take the rest of that off. So all out of DCIX, tiny win. Wow, interesting day. A lot of stuff starting to move. Still keep DCIX on watch. Same thing with even tops. I mean, they're not the prettiest ticker names, but they've been runners in the past. PLAG kind of looks like it wants to maybe go for a secondary push. I'm going to watch this carefully, see if it starts flagging. So PLAG starting to pop up a little bit. It's a big candle, and I would be chasing the high of it. So watching PLAG here for potential long. See, it's already selling down right off that move, so a little sketchy. PayPal with the big aggressive move down. Gonna watch PayPal carefully here with that big drop. I think PLAG could grow some legs here and start pushing. PLAG is slightly, it's still getting bought up here. think I might hop in and take it long. All right, I'm getting in long on PLAG. There it goes, starting to push. Had a feeling it was getting ready to squeeze. Come on, stay up for us. Okay, taking some off on PLAG. It kind of is just a little sketchy. It's popping up, but not really going. All right, just took more off there on PLAG. I mean, it's going, but not quite. So still have some shares on long PLAG here. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's popping up. Probably going to sell a little bit more shares here on this push over 5. Okay, just sold some shares there over 5. Okay, it's getting really wicky. A lot of sellers on it. Still a lot of momentum. Volume still looks pretty good. So going to hold here. We're starting to get a push over the previous candle in volume. It's a good sign. All right, we're about to have a volume breakout maybe. Let's see. Okay, we're getting a nice push here. Should have a nice one. Looks like the volume. Yeah, ooh, quick. Still holding 500 shares long. Just letting it run now at this point. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, gonna actually sell some there. I'm gonna sell 250 shares. Oh, it's just squeezing like nuts. All right, I'm gonna hold. It's gonna get halted here. So PLAG is about to get halted. Trading isn't gonna stop for volatility reasons. So I'm gonna hold these 500 shares through the volatility halt. Give it a few more. All right, there we go. We're halted on PLAG. So just gonna hold these 500 shares through this halt. Currently up 1,500 on the trade. So did you guys do okay so far in PLAG? How's everybody's trading going so far today? Actually, one second. Let me put this on the screen. So how's everybody's trading going so far today? You're red, you're green, you're catching those. Green, 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 1,400, 4,200, 6,000 for Miami. Green up 500, small green, 300, 3 out of 2 green. It's green 75, green 700, green 1,000. Every day is green, my friends. Every day is green in the BRT room. Green 1,800, red 143. Okay, we got some red. Red on paper count, green. Good stuff, guys. That's awesome trading. Absolutely stellar. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good on the day myself. I'll be up just shy of 5,000. All right, so gonna hold through this halt. There was a lot of momentum going into this, and if you look, PLAG is like a recent IPO. So look at it's already way above all its resistance. There really isn't any major resistance this thing can run into. So that's what also kind of gave me the, like, okay, I'll definitely take this trade, right? Yeah, you could keep DCIX on watch. It hasn't yet fully broken down, so it could pop up some. Yeah, DCIX, might have a pop coming. I'll put it on the chart. All right, look at it. Kind of, right, curling up. Watch it for a break here to the upside on DCIX. Heck, I almost want to trade it myself. Okay, look at DCIX is trying to break over this trend here. It doesn't have a whole lot of volume, but I think it could have a nice pop here over this 158 level. So just waiting on PLAG to unhalt here. Depending on what it does, I might just take off my 500 shares. All right, DCIX is pushing up a little bit here. Not a whole lot of buyers coming in. Got a lot of sellers trying to hold it down at about 157 on DCIX right now. All right, DCIX kind of breaking down there. Ooh, NCTY going down. Yeah, I'm gonna keep NCTY on watch. I mean, there could be again another nice reversal or bounce play on this. PLAG still halted right now. Yeah, it's got to be coming back any second. Usually about 5 minutes, 10 minutes sometimes. All right, PLAG is unhalted. Still holding, still holding. It's squeezing. All right, just sold 250 shares. And it's got a doji candle, still holding. See what we want to do here. All right, all out of PLAG. Just got all the way out. So $1,500 win there in PLAG. Nice. Still watching this NCTY. Starting to watch NCTY again for a bounce. All right, I'm hopping in long on NCTY. It's kind of was holding that 450. Seen some buyers coming back in. So currently in long on NCTY here for a little bit of a reversal trade. Starting to push up. Come on. Get a little bit more momentum. Still holding long on NCTY. PLAG starting to pop up once again. I just didn't really like that pattern, so didn't hop in on that. Still got some buyers coming up on NCTY. Might get ready to sell some here because it's struggling. All right, just sold some shares there because it's kind of struggling this pop. All right, and now I'm all out of NCTY. Just didn't like the way it was moving there. It almost went, was still struggling. It might want a little bit more room down. So let it do its thing. Still gonna follow it. Look for a bounce later. Yeah, look at that run there and PLAG. Nice move. Holy cow, PLAG's running. Yeah, I'm not gonna chase that up. Again, I'd just be chasing it. Nuts. Well, good day here. As you can see there, P&L, $5,081 for the day. So far, very good day. We'll end the live trading video there for you guys watching in on YouTube. So thank you guys as always for tuning into our videos. And if you ever want to join any of our services and chat rooms or anything, it'll be all linked in the description of the video. So please do check that out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.